A dawn ceremony was held this morning at Te Papa National Museum in Wellington to launch two special exhibitions. A kaupapa waka created by photographer Te Aotearoa Bosch features photos he took in 2020 at the 80th anniversary commemorating the launch of the Waka Ngā Toki Matawhaurua in Waitangi. Alongside this, Manu Rere Moana Pacific Voyages was launched, where visitors can learn about the knowledge and skill that enabled Māori to sail to Aotearoa.
Incredible morning this morning. We were privileged to have all our tohunga from the mana whenua here and also our tohunga from Te Tautokerau, Papa Hoturoa, ngā waka katoa, Jacko, Stan Ma, coming in to taki the karakia and to open our exhibition.
Oh, it's great to be here at this exhibition at Te Papa today to celebrate our kaumātua heke nuku mai, puhipi and mau piailog, and I guess sharing the things that they shared with us, and now we're sharing those kōrero and those taonga with Te Papa and everybody else in the motus.
Makes it special is that people get to experience not only seeing taonga, experiencing the stories, but engaging in this mātauranga as well.
Yeah, I hope this exhibition is a reflection of the whānau who keep our kaupapa waka alive. That's the main thing. It's for our whānau. I want them to see themselves in it, and I want te motu whānui, ngā iwi katoa, I want everyone to see that our kaupapa waka is alive and thriving. And that our waka are more than just a vehicle, they're more than just a vessel, but they hold the mauri of our culture, of our tikanga, of our whakapapa, everything within our waka.